7th and 8th grade students have a new online textbook, the Discovery Education Social Studies Techbook. This is a beautiful interactive text, rich with images, videos, maps, and much more. This video will show you how to navigate around in the text to find your content more easily. Begin by logging in to Discovery Education using your regular login. Locate the Social Studies Textbook in the drop-down menu in the My DE Services area here. So click on the arrow and select Social Studies Textbook. The page that displays may be different than mine, so the first thing you want to do is locate your course. Click on the Switch Course button and you'll see a drop-down menu of course options. Choose the correct course for you, which will depend on your grade level and what your teacher has assigned. You'll see the course title here, which would be like the title of a regular textbook. Each book is divided into units, chapters, sections, tabs, and pages. We're going to take a little tour of the textbook, similar to what you might do flipping through a paper textbook. On the home page, you'll see a visual overview, and as you click through the various units, that overview will change to represent what that unit is about. Please note that you may not necessarily be assigned all the chapters or all the sections in your course. You will follow the pacing and the lesson plans provided by your teacher. You can also see a table of contents by clicking on this other tab. This view looks more like what you would see at the beginning of a paper textbook. Notice that you can also print this page. When you click on the print button, you get a nice clean page that's set up for printing. Let's click into a chapter and look more closely. The chapter title is here. The unit title is just above it. Here are the key concepts for the chapter. These are the big ideas of the chapter. Most chapters also have essential questions, and this organization will help you chunk the history textbook into manageable pieces and help you focus on the most important concepts. In this chapter on the Revolutionary America, for example, we want to answer this essential question here. When we finish the chapter, we should be able to answer that question. Make sure to take a look at the images on these chapter pages as well, as they are a strong representation of the chapter concept. We will cover these concepts or big ideas. Each concept, you'll see, has its own essential question. Let's look deeper at section 3.1. So the title of this section, 3.1, is The Colonies Come of Age. The essential questions are repeated here just underneath the section title, so at the end of this section we should be able to answer those two questions. Notice the tabs here. These are called the 5 E's: engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. You'll find the same arrangement in each section. So the engage tab will introduce the section. The Explore tab consists of several pages, numbered here. This is where you will find most of the information you will read, images to study, and videos to view. Again, it's important that you follow the lesson plan provided by your teacher, since your assignment may not include all the pages or activities. The Explain tab has several activity options. Your teacher may assign one or more of these activities. The Elaborate tab has other activities that your teacher may or may not assign. And finally, the Evaluate tab has several assessment options that your teacher may choose to assign. You'll see the 5E tabs in each chapter section. A helpful tip is to use the breadcrumbs here to quickly navigate back to the beginning of a section or chapter.